Okay, so we're going to be making some bread in the bread machine. I know you like to eat your bread, so let me show you how to do it. You need sugar, flour. I usually buy a King Arthur flour, all-purpose, because it's like one of the best flours. It's expensive, but it's good flour. Some regular salt, table salt, and some yeast. I get the Red Star Quick Rise yeast, and I keep it in the freezer. You can't keep yeast out because it goes bad very quickly. Okay, so I keep it in the freezer, and then I use it as I need it. Alright, got your measuring containers. It's very important to have accurate measuring containers. This is a 1 cup, and then I've got my little teaspoons and whatnot here. Okay, alright, and so we need to get some water. I use a cup of water. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is heat up your water. You need a cup of water, and that's 240 mils. So use the measuring container, and this needs to be warm, but not too warm or you kill the yeast. So I'm going to put it in the microwave for 20 seconds, okay? So put it in the microwave, hit cook to 0 start. So while that's doing, you're going to put your salt in your baking container. So you need 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So use 1/2 teaspoon with a measuring spoon because it fits in this container. And make sure everything is leveled up. Okay, so it's 1.5. Okay, for sugar, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let me get this tablespoon thing out. I forgot to put oil up here. You're going to need some oil. So you're going to use 2 tablespoons of oil, or you can use 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, or whatever you want to put in there. So I usually use oil. It seems to me it comes out better when you use butter. Just 2 tablespoons of that. I'm going to write the ingredients down so you guys can see it. Alright. So, put the water in. Okay. Let me get the oil. Systems, the eastern side of the tropical system where we're at tonight with these frequent tornado warnings that we've had. So along South Alabama, just using a regular olive oil. Put 2 tablespoons of that in there. I use this recipe all the time. It's like the best one I found. I went over a little bit there, didn't I? This is right near the Eustis radar at the airport for turbulence, and it's really finely tuned right around Metro for wind shear, and you can definitely see a pretty good rotation right over the south. Now you're going to dish it around. Right here is Michigan, so we're south and that's what I call it, so it mixes a little bit. Alright, so now you're going to put your flour in. Now you do all your small ingredients, then your fluid, and the flour is one of the last things I put in. So you want level teaspoons, level cupfuls of the flour, alright? So get your finger, run it across the top. 1. You have to have precise measurements when you're baking bread. If you're off a little bit, it just messes up your bread. Okay. 3 cupfuls of flour. And I usually buy this flour in bulk, and I put it in my deep freezer, and it lasts forever. I hate to run out of flour because I use it so much. Okay, so then you're going to go back to your 1/2 teaspoon measurement again. And you're going to put a little hole with your finger in the middle of this. Alright, so you're going to get 1.5 teaspoons of your yeast.
couplet right there where they're kind of being close to touching. That's where we have the winds that are spiraling
Okay.
around. We had several folks that said,
And that's it. And then I'm going to put this in the baking machine on basic. And it cooks for about 3.5 hours.
swirling around. We even had a couple of like little rope kind from earlier today, and they could see
Okay, so here's the end product. It's a loaf of bread. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Nothing like a loaf of fresh warm bread. So I'm going to cut a slice so you can see how it's going to look. Oops, let's turn it around this way. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. You see the steam coming off of it. Put some butter on there and it's so delicious. All right.